My point. See, you did a mistake of joining the exact column. You should have mapped with a product ID. What you thought, you want to join an ID. You joined ID. It is not the case, no. So you should not do a mistake is what my point. Okay. So now my point is why cross joins will what will cost you the cross joins? The cross joins will cost you unnecessary data in a fetch, and the data is completely wrong. And data is completely wrong. When I say one product, so when I say n number of products, so whereas the phone iPhone and Redmi, there were no orders, even though the orders came to them. This is a big blunder. So that's the reason we should not do cross join. See, that's what they are saying. They see that keyword is we want something to be mapped. In some cases, some use cases, there will be no, what do you say? You want to map everyone with every what do you say, games, like you are conducting a games. So everyone should play every game. Okay. So then in that case, how many rounds will be there? So for every person, how many rounds will be there? So whether he completed that particular round or not. So how will you manage this? So you join this, you do a join and get the data, and then it will help you. Okay. So now apart from that, so what we have a left join concept. Left join is nothing but so then if I do left join, I should do a on condition. What is that? On p1.id o1.product id. The exact match of a product id number of rows. How many? 10 rows. Left join. Why left join also came? The left join was there for every product. How many orders are there? We found, right? Okay. So if I do a right join, what will happen here? If I do a right join, what will happen here? We'll see. What happened? 9 rows only came. Why? Oh, there is some order which doesn't have any product ID. There may be a chance. Maybe a chance. You created dummy, transaction got created. In between, you cancelled that order, but you didn't delete. Means your code has a flaw. If this kind of data occurs in a database, you should tell, okay, in your transaction, what is in a transaction? There is no, good question, there is no property called acid properties. Acid properties. We will talk about acid properties now. So from here, what did we understand? We have a joins. What is that? Full join, join, cross join, left join, right join. 5 types of joins. Okay. We can do self join also, inner join also. We'll show how is that.